Welcome to my YouTube channel in Krishang French Learning. In my today's video, we will learn about variable and invariable profession. So, first we need to know what is variable and invariable profession. A variable is that profession which changes according to the gender of the noun. Invariable is that profession which remains same in both masculine and feminine forms. In French, the name of a profession changes according to its gender like masculine and feminine. However, there are some professions that are invariable and remain same in both the masculine and feminine. Let's understand some rules of variable and invariable profession. Rule 1. If a profession ends with er in masculine form, it becomes ere in the feminine form. For example, boulanger is a masculine. When it changes into feminine, er becomes ere. In masculine, it is boulanger, and in feminine, it is boulanger. Rule 2. If a profession ends with ien in masculine form, it becomes ienne in the feminine form. For example, musicien become musician. Rule number 3. If a profession ends with teur in masculine form, it becomes trice in the feminine form. For example, factor become factrice. Rule 4. If a profession ends with eur in masculine form, it becomes eusc in the feminine form. For example, chanteur becomes chanteuse. In this video, we have so far learned the concept of variable and invariable professions. In my next video, we will discuss about the profession names according to the gender. So, that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.